Hi, welcome to Vietsound channel. In this video, we are going to talk about the rising tone in Vietnamese. It's called dấu sắc. Are you ready? Let's get started. You might notice that when someone speaks Vietnamese, they sound like a song. Why is that? Because in Vietnamese, we have the tone, and there are 6 tones in Vietnamese. They are không dấu means without tone, dấu sắc rising tone, dấu huyền falling tone, dấu nặng low falling broken tone, dấu ngã rising broken tone, dấu hỏi falling air broken tone. Okay, so for example, I'm gonna say a word with 6 different tones. Ma, 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 ma. Okay, now I'm gonna say this word is a little bit faster so you can hear it sound like a song. Ma, 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 ma. And today we're gonna start with the rising tone, dấu sắc. Let's take a look at the musical notes. When you say a word without tones, you are on the sol note. For example, we have the word ca without tones. Now, how to add a rising tone to this word? You just raise your voice a little bit higher to the do note. And we have the word with a rising tone like cá. Now let's compare. Cá without tone and cá rising tone. Let's compare again. Cá, cá. Another example here is the word la without tone on the sol note. Now make your voice a little bit higher to the do note. So we have the word la with a rising tone. Okay, now let's compare again. La and la, la, la. I hope that you can feel the rising tone in Vietnamese. Now let's try to say some words with the rising tone. Here we have ta, ta, ma, ma, mơ, mớ, ly, lý, cam, cám, tâm, tấm, tươi, tưới, chuôi, chuối, sông, sống, khoai, khoái, nước, mắm, uống nước, khó tính, lấp lánh, bún cá, bách thích uống nước đá. Now a little bit faster. Bách thích uống nước đá. Ánh đến nhà chú Đức lấy nước mắm. A little bit faster. Ánh đến nhà chú Đức lấy nước mắm. Tối thứ 6, bác Khánh nấu cháo cá. Tối thứ 6, bác Khánh nấu cháo cá. Okay, you've done very well. If you want to bring a smile into my face or support my effort, donate me by the link in the description or if you want to download textbooks, get the link in the description. Thank you for watching.